Aging is inevitable, but how you age is up to you. Welcome to a new era of health, vitality, and confidence. Welcome to ageRejuvenation. At ageRejuvenation, we believe in redefining aging. Our mission is to empower both men and women to take control of their health through personalized, cutting-edge treatments that address the root causes of aging and wellness concerns. Our holistic approach encompasses a wide array of services tailored to your unique needs: medical weight loss, customized programs that combine appetite control, vitamin injections, and advanced weight management tools to help you achieve sustainable results. Hormone replacement therapy, bio-identical hormone treatments to balance your body's natural rhythms, enhancing energy, mood, and overall well-being. Sexual health, innovative therapies addressing sexual dysfunction, including treatments for erectile dysfunction and vaginal rejuvenation to restore intimacy and confidence. Thyroid management, comprehensive evaluations and treatments to optimize thyroid function, crucial for metabolism and energy levels. Hair restoration, advanced solutions to combat hair loss and promote regrowth, helping you look and feel your best. Aesthetic services, non-surgical options like Botox, dermal fillers, thread facelifts, painless hair removal, and skin pen treatments to rejuvenate your appearance. IV therapy, customized infusions delivering essential vitamins and nutrients directly into your bloodstream for immediate revitalization. Peptide and stem cell therapies, cutting-edge regenerative treatments aimed at healing, recovery, and enhancing overall vitality. What sets ageRejuvenation apart is our commitment to personalized care. We utilize comprehensive diagnostic testing to understand your body's unique needs, crafting individualized treatment plans that promote longevity and optimal health. Thousands have transformed their lives with ageRejuvenation, from weight loss success stories to restored energy and improved quality of life. Our patients are living proof that proactive health management works. Ready to take the first step towards a healthier, more vibrant you? Schedule your free consultation today and discover how ageRejuvenation can help you achieve your wellness goals.